So I'm walking Winston. I love the fall leaves. Like these trees before the leaves fell off. Winston, he loves his morning walk. Sometimes he doesn't get a morning walk, and then he knows that he hasn't gotten a morning walk yet. Look at these! Oh my goodness! I used to draw leaves after I collected them like 2 falls ago, maybe. Oh, look at that tree right there. Oh god, it's so pretty. Fall's so pretty around here, but it's also really wet. What was it? So, I have a topic. Since it's raining. I like rain. I grew up here where it rains a lot. So, I'm not a fan. I don't dislike rain. Obviously when you have Winston or just a dog in general, your dog has to be walked, and I guess it gets a little annoying when you have to walk in the rain, but I like rain. Like most people, there's a lot of people who grew up in Portland. They don't mind the rain compared to someone else who doesn't like rain. And I know quite a few people who don't like rain, but yeah, I gotta put this away now because it's starting to rain even more. Oh yeah, and then Winston loves his morning walks, like I said before. And then he was chasing a squirrel. That's why I have him on the lawn leash, because stay, Winston. That's why I have him on the lawn leash, so he doesn't pull my arm off. That tree is so that, and then all the leaves are falling down, and all the leaves are soaking wet just because it's raining. But wrong direction. Hey, come here. I'll walk the other direction. Hey, come here. We'll go this way. Look at it, soaking wet leaves, but super pretty. Super pretty. Love it. So currently I am about to get ready to go to work. I got halfway dressed, meaning I have my blue jeans on, but I need to change my shirt. And then I need to go downstairs and get some snacks, food, ready, or they call it lunch. But if I take it at 6 o'clock or something, 5:36, I would call it dinner. But yeah. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm working late tonight, so I'm working 3:15 to 11:15. So that's basically till close, and I can get myself out there by 11:15. So that's nice. Yeah, work's gonna be busy because it's the weekend, start to the weekend. But yeah, busy's good, but busy's also overwhelming. It depends on how you look at it. Cause yeah. So I'm gonna go get dressed, and I'll talk to you later. So I got stuck in the aftermath of a train. So this is called train traffic, which isn't great because of, I guess, I have to be somewhere at a certain time, which is work. But was moving a little bit, but again, it's not getting anywhere. Like the light I currently see turned green like twice, and I moved like 200 feet or something like that. That's the most I've moved in 5 minutes. So, yeah. I hate train traffic, and it doesn't make sense to cut up one of the side streets because I'm going straight to begin with, so it would actually add more time to my to my route. So I guess, I don't know. Traffic's, I guess, worse than regular traffic because now this guy wants to get over. He was in, oh goodness. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna end this now. And another car is just completely turning around saying, I don't want to deal with you. But I need to go. So yeah. So surprisingly, I'm not late. Let's say if I was working at like 3, it would have been a couple minutes late because of the train traffic. But I'm not working till 3:15, so I'm good. So I don't know what's the word. I don't want to go in, but I guess it is what it is.